Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to calculate category wise total in Google Sheets. As you can see in the screen here, I have a sales report for 24th April 2026 of a departmental store where there is transaction ID, item name, category, quantity, MRP and the sales amount. From this data, I want to calculate the category wise sales amount, because here if you see in the category column, there are multiple categories which repeats in different rows. To do this, first of all, I need to list out all the unique categories, then calculate the total for each category. So here in this cell, let me put category list, and in the next cell, let me put total sales. To generate the unique list of category, here you can use the unique function. So in this cell, press equals, then put the unique function, open the bracket. In the range, simply select this category range, then close bracket, press enter. Here you can see all the categories that is available here in this report are given here. Now to calculate the total sales for every single category, we have to use here a function, that is the SUMIF function. So in this cell, press equal to, then type the SUMIF function, open the bracket. In the range parameter of the SUMIF function, we have to select the category range of the data source or the report. So select this category range, then lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard. Pressing F4 key will apply the dollar symbols here, or you can also manually apply the dollar symbols before the column name and the row number. Then put a comma. In the criterion, you have to select the first category from this list. So click on the first category, then put a comma, and in the sum range, you have to select the value range from which you want to calculate the total, that is the sales amount. So select the sales amount range of the data source. After selecting, lock this range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard, that applies the dollar symbols. Now you can close the SUMIF function with a bracket, then press enter. Here it is suggesting for auto fill the formula down. Simply click on this tick mark and the formula fills down, and these are the category wise total values. So this is how you can calculate category wise total in Google Sheets. If you want to practice this, you can get this sample data from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.